Testing. Testing, 1, 2. Are we live? We are live. Good morning, everyone. Oh, I overslept. I'm still recovering. I'm so tired. Oh, got jet lag. Good morning, Ghost in Markets. Vincent and Ella, good morning. Jag Raj, good morning. RXHX Best Trading, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Good to see you. Sean O, Darren Koss, Scratch Your Itch Trading, Jim O, Traderous Chick, good morning. Jack Wiley. Don't tell me that we're having drop frames already. Oh, what is going on? Hang on. Wow, look at this. It is dumping right now. I gotta find out what is. We're But we are having drop frames already this morning. Good morning, Bruce Lee, Terry W, Mark Brandt, Jack Wiley. Good morning, John. Good morning. We had a great weekend. I had a great weekend. Mark Brandt, Sean O, CP Trader, Bruce Lee, Sorrel, Gizmarie, Classic Man 2020. Trying to figure out why my frames are dropping again. All right. I don't know. Let's see. Did my stream end? Oh man. John. What is going on? Okay, are we still live? I think stream restarted. I think I restarted, but I think we're good now. Oh man. Yeah, okay, I think we're good now. I think we're good now, guys. But all right. Okay, we are live and it looks like we're back. Something with Kevin's laptop is uploading like crazy. I got to figure out what's going on. All right. All right, let's focus up. Let's see. Market trying to rip here, trying to rip higher here, back above the 700s. Oh man, excuse me. Oh. Yeah, I think we're good now. All right, sorry guys. I'm not sure. I gotta look into this stream issue. But good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Mark Brandt, Black Coffee, Jim O, CP Trader. My fiber subscription get canceled. I hope not. I sure hope not. Dabda, good morning. One time, good morning. Dantaloy Dan, Gizmarie, Vincent Nella Peter. Good morning, everybody. Max, good morning. Good morning. All right, market wants to pump. Oh, we did not have a good overnight session, as you can see. Only traded my funding ticks accounts and did not go well. Just not a good overnight session at all. Got chopped to pieces. What happened to Fizzy Ticks? They went bye-bye. Good morning, Cly. I actually thought I had a daily loss limit on those accounts, but I did. Yeah, I don't. I actually thought there was a daily loss limit, but there isn't. So it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. All right, can we get above the 720s? That's the key. That is a very key level here, 720s. If we can get above this or not. Let's see if we're going to reject it or are we just going to rip right up through it. Time, moment of truth here. Also, I guess, yeah, since Friday, quite a bit has changed. Not quite a bit, but Tradeify. Tradeify, we locked in our payout with Tradeify, requested 12,500 on Friday, which is awesome. Got that payout approved in our everything done. And we're back on a live account with Tradeify, as you can see. We have a $17,500 balance, one account, live account, and this is redemption tour. This is the redemption tour on this Tradeify live account. I'm going to try to take it slow and just get some nice daily gains, not do anything too crazy. Last time I was way too aggressive. All right, we are ripping above the 720s. There she goes. Man, I might. Oh, boys. I'm gonna chase. I mean, I'm kind of chasing this breakout, but I like this. I'll take one off here. Just don't fake me out here. Got to hold above the VWAP here. Got to hold above it. Go, push. Let's go. Keep going. Just keep going, buddy. I just want to see this go straight up, make new highs. No needed. We don't need a pullback market. We don't need a pullback. No. Try and hold this. I mean, if we come back down like the 720s, if we retest the 720s, I might add one right there again. Oh, wait. 9 a.m. Trump speaks. Oh, dear. Lord help us all. Hey, good morning, Peter Schapp. Daniel Rosenstein, good morning. Come on, just rip this thing up to new highs. Come on, you can do it. No, maybe not. All right, I'm going to watch if the 720s hold. I'm going to add one here, but this is a little dangerous. Little dangerous here. Feel like we're playing with fire a little bit. Man. Come on, straight back up now. Now give back above the 740s right here. Do it. This is struggles. Where is my stop? It's in my head. It's in my head. I'm using a manual stop. I don't like trading with stops when I trade the open. I just get out on my own. All right, got to rip it right here. Come on, you got to rip this above the 740s. We're struggling. Can't seem to get above the 730s now. Having serious thoughts about just killing this trade. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Come on, Marky. Is he going to chop here till 10 o'clock? There we go. Now go. Right here. Do it. Do it. I mean, this thing can't do it. Now go. Cannot seem to get above the 730s. I feel like if we try one more time and fail, I feel like I should get out of this trade. We got to go right here. Come on. Got to go right here. There we go. Okay. All right. Now we can hold. Oh, come on. Don't tease me. Come on, 740s. Let's go. Go. Oh, man. What is going on? It doesn't want to do it. Oh, come on. This is painful. Trying to be patient here, but man, this is rough. Very choppy. Hey, Design Knob is here. Design Knob is here. Good morning, Design Knob. Oh, come on now, go. Hey. Yeah, exactly, Alpine. Good morning, Alpine. How we doing? Good morning. Look how nice it is at the beach today. Oh, I gotta see this. It's true. Yet here we are. Man, you know if I kill this trade, we're gonna rip this to new highs, right? Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this, right? All right, here we go. Can we do it? Get above that 740. Come on. I might kill this. I don't know, man. My patience is about all gone. All right, I'm out. I'm out. If this rips to new highs now, you're welcome. If you were long and this rips to new highs, you can thank me later. It's gonna rip now, folks. It's gonna rip now. Oh, you're very sore, Alpine. Man, you're putting in the work. You're putting in the work on your golf game. I love it. I can't wait to play. I can't wait to play golf with you. It's gonna be awesome. I actually need to go hit the driving range today. I need to get ready for the Amish Open Thursday, Friday. Right now, my driving game needs some serious help. My driving right now is not great at all. I am struggling again on driving. Oh, thank goodness we got out of that trade. All right. I'm still interested in a long, but just did not like that we didn't get through there multiple times. We had multiple opportunities to get through it and we just couldn't do it. All right. Is it going to rip now? That might be all it needed. Just a little bit of a wick sweep down through the 710s. And now maybe it rips higher. Yeah, I can't wait, Alpine. Oh.
How's the trading doing, dude?
Well, how's it going, bud? Say hi to chat.
What's up, chat?
Ah.
How are they doing? Their own little thing.
Yeah. All right, this is starting to turn into a chop fest here.
Cody might come in.
Say what?
The rabbits. He's playing with the rabbits. So if I told him that he needs to tell someone to get him out for him.
Are the rabbits out right now?
No, they're in the cage.
Oh, okay.
He's just playing with them.
Got it. Okay. Look at that. A sweep of the lows, and now we might rip this thing higher. Wow. Man, I might take another shot at this. Okay, breakthrough. Do it. Do it. Do it. Gotta go right here. I'm not going to be patient here. If this doesn't rip through, then I'm going to kill it. Come on. Man, this market is choppy right now. Go. 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 Please don't hesitate. Just rip through these 40s. Yeah, let's go. Now rip it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come. I give up. I'm going to take it. I don't know, man. This market is weird. I got scared as soon as we hesitated. It's struggling to get through the 740s again. Man, this is definitely not the mailman's kid. Did he win a Fortnite Cash Cup already? No, he did not. No, he did not. Can't we all just get along? Hey, MM Cole, good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you. Got so much to do, so not streaming. Have a good day. All right, take care, Alpine. Yeah, I had a bad overnight session on my funding ticks accounts. I don't know what it is. My funding ticks accounts, I just cannot seem to get things going. I need a quant guard to have the Tradeify working ASAP. Look at that. We're getting, there she goes through the 740s. Man, I've started to come down with a cough and I don't like it. Don't like it one bit. By the way, guys, I gotta show you guys some pictures. Pictures from my trip out west. Oh, sorry, I was muted. Uh-oh. I was just saying this was the golf course that I played on Saturday. It was so nice. Pristine conditions and just absolutely awesome views. Oh, it was so good. It was so nice. It was like in the mountains. They told us it cost over $4 million just to put in the cart path on the back nine where it goes up through the mountains. It's crazy. Oh, actually, I gotta show you this shot. My brother. Shout out to my brother here. Hang on. Here. I recorded one of my brother's shots. Ended up being a really nice shot. Watch this. This is my brother. He lives in Colorado, and that's who I went out to. So we went out to surprise him for his birthday, and I took him out golfing for his birthday. He had no idea we were coming, and we just showed up, and he was shocked. But watch this shot. This was pretty awesome. He almost put it in the hole. He almost put it in the hole. Unfortunately, he three putted from there, so it was a bogey, but it was a really good shot. But anyway, we had a lot of fun. It was awesome. He definitely. Yes, they are Amish. That's why we're in Colorado. Glenwood Springs is where that was taken. They let him on the course dressed like that? Of course they did. Trump would have gotten it down for 250,000. Manu Cremino 24. Oh, you only made 140,000 with trading this year? That's nothing. I know small cap traders that make that in a day. Don't want to be rude, but how scalable is this prop firm crap? You trade small caps, but I know traders that make 20K in a day. Yeah, I'm sure they're legit. I'm sure they're not some gurus. If all I can tell you is if they make 20K a day, I can assure you they also lose 20 to 40K a day. So make sure you're getting both sides of the story. But I don't know why you're here. If you think they're the best thing ever, then maybe you should go watch them. There's a thought. Don't let, you know. Ross Cameron, for example, makes 100K in a normal day. Well, good for him. Good for him, man. How much? The question is, Manu, how much do you make? How much have you made? What's your payouts so far year to date? People who make big money rarely are on here. That's true. but he was talking about people that are on YouTube. Oh man, do we take another shot at this short or the long? Do we get support here off the 720s? Ross Cameron. Exactly. We've also seen Ross Cameron lose over 100,000 a day. It's like, dude. Big upgrade from the closet. Serious. That's right. It is. It is. I'm a little worried about that we haven't actually tried to retest these highs, but it does look like, man, I just now saw this wick. Look at this wick. We came all the way down to the 715s and we wicked right back up. Just don't know that I want to trust this, but it's tempting. Tempting to take another long here. But we said Trump is talking at 10 o'clock. Is that right? Yeah, Shawno, I did miss that. I did miss that. Carmen Coding, Carmen Code Gaming. You complain about your Florida home having St. Augustine grass. My fiance and I just bought a home in. Yeah, it Nicholas, it's not very friendly to walk on. It's very coarse, like the St. Augustine grass. It's very coarse. Man, I'm gonna take another trade here. I don't know. Gonna have a pretty tight trigger on this though. I'm gonna kill this if I don't like it. I'm not gonna be. Come on, just get back above the 40s. Let's make new highs. Let's get this thing going. Go, baby. Gotta go right here. Man, it's painful. What the grass, I mean, it's fine. The St. Augustine grass is just a type of grass that a lot of people in Florida have it. Manu Cremino, I'm very curious. Are you new to trading? Are you new? You seem like you're new to trading. It seems like you're very new to this trading. It seems like you're very new. You're talking about people in Discord that make 400K. Like, Do you know how many people in Discords that make 400K a year, yet when you ask them for proof, you get banned and blocked? That's my only... Don't believe everything you see. Okay, let's go rip this thing. Okay, I did not... Oh my, what an idiot. Okay, never mind. I guess I'm okay that, but I actually meant to hit sell click instead of just closing it, but... All right, double top up here at the 755s. Are we going to break through, or is this just more chop? He has proof. He's not the only one making crazy money, but he's the guy who makes the most in that specific group. What do you consider to be proof? Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, people are so gullible. It's crazy. Exactly, Stevens trades. Yeah, let me ask you, do you... He has proof. The proof is the cars he has and the house he has. You must be new. You must be new, man. If you think that that is what it takes to prove that they're profitable, I mean, that's insane. I don't even have time to talk about that. That's insane. That's like, yep, I have proof. He's got fancy cars and a big house. Unbelievable. I guarantee you that guy's a new trader. He's trying to make it sound like he's not, but he is. Feel bad for the guy. Look at this. Now we're just right back down. I got a direct to payout plan for you, man. Design knob. The kind of guy who believes a girl when she says nothing is wrong. No. Yeah, I mean, that's just wild. I mean, that's that's wild. Hey, have you asked for proof? The proof is, well, he has fancy cars and a big house. That's proof he's making 400,000 a month in trading. Oh man, that's wild. I've heard it all now, guys. I've heard it all. I've heard it all. All right, I want to see this. I want to see this come back down. We're definitely going higher. It's a very choppy move higher. Very choppy today. Not getting clean moves. Yeah, exactly, Sean O. That's exactly what he's trying to do. He's now gone, so... But it is a very typical new trader mindset, and I mean like, I had that kind of mindset in the beginning too. Before I knew any better, I thought like some of the gurus and stuff that I watched, I'm like, man, these guys are making a killing, and I was amazed. I was amazed at the profits these guys were making, everything, and but then I was like, I started to, be a little bit cynical, and I was like, could you guys share some proof that you are actually making money? And as soon as I would ask that, they would get so offended, call you a loser mindset, and call you a pocket watcher, call you all kinds of names for even having the audacity to question and ask for actual proof that they're profitable. And that's when the light bulb moment came on. JY, is this a Cameron Nutty Ross bar channel? 100% win rate. From now on, if someone asks me proof that I'm profitable, I'm going to show them a picture of my house. But anytime that you just see one side of a story on Discord or on YouTube or anywhere, like the biggest red flag is if you only see one side of the story, and then if you ask for profitable proof, and then they start to get offended, like that's when you know you've found a guru. But if you ask for proof and they give it to you, or they're showing their red and their green, then they're probably legit. But you usually don't see those people then showing the huge profits. Now, it can happen for sure, but it's not as likely. Peter, I would still buy anything Joom offers. We all would, Peter. We all would. If Joom comes out tomorrow with another prop firm, I'll be his go-to affiliate. That's how bad I just want Joom to come back. Oh man, that's unfortunate. You hate to see it though, right? You hate to see it. Like when people would ask Zero Day J how many counts does he blow? He loses. But at least he shows it. At least he shows it. Well, yeah. What was that uptick? I don't know, but we're continuing to grind higher. I wish. We had the overnight highs are all the way up here at the 770s. 770s. Okay, the all-time highs. What are the all-time highs? All-time highs are 848. 23,848. I could definitely see us testing those today. No, Citizen Zero. That wick, you mean the wick right here? Or this one? The last wick we had just stopped you out and now it's going higher. Oh man, I'm sorry, Citizen Zero. Yeah, this market right now is not ideal. It's very wicky to the upside. We want to see a Joom and a Scott Treasty prop firm. Can you guys imagine how many used cars they would have? That's still the funniest thing ever, that Fast Track Trading was just a front to buy used cars. The guy had so many terrible used cars, it's hilarious. Oh no, Carolina. I just ate 15 Oreo cookies. That's how bored I am with the market. Hey, whatever it takes. There she goes, ripping right back up, 760s. Man, just buy the dips right now would work. Hey, Cole, nicely done. By the way, Cole, I did get your email, and I'm hoping to get some information back today. Fast Track Trading, it was a front for buying used cars. By the way, I just learned something. The state of Ohio has a sales tax, what are they calling it? Like a sales tax vacation, is it called? Um, and it's from now until August 14th. If you go, it can't be online, but if you go in store and buy anything under $500 purchase price, you don't have to pay sales tax. I'm like, I'm down for that. I might go buy me some golf products. I think that's a good excuse. God, I think that's a good excuse to go buy some golf stuff. Sales tax holiday. Yes, all in trading. Sales tax holiday. Hang on, I got to take this. Yeah, John. Maybe when it gets boring, we'll listen to the Scott deposition again. That was one of the funnier things I've ever witnessed. That was so funny. It's called Back to School Tax Free Weekend here in Texas. Okay, Jenna, I see. Okay, we're back. Okay, so not every state is doing it. Okay, so it makes sense. So they kind of do it before the school, and it kind of as a back to school sales tax holiday. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, it doesn't have to be school products, does it? Because I'm planning to go buy some golf balls and some other golf trinkets that I don't need, but it's a great excuse to buy things that you don't really need. I'm like, honey, it's free sales tax. We have to take advantage of it. You know? Anybody see short opportunities here, or are we just grinding higher all day? Right now, this looks like a grinding higher kind of day, but really, we need to see what happens when we get to the 770s. If we see a major rejection off the 770s, then, or even right here, like this is kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th time we've tested this 765 area. So I definitely don't want to buy up here. That I do know. If we pull back into the 740s again, then I might take another stab long. Hey, how we doing, math lover? How far do you keep your stop loss? I mean, how many points far? So once I'm not trading the open, like right now, my default stop loss is, I mean, I don't have a set tick amount. I kind of look at previous support resistance and I try to put it below that. I seldom have success with it, but yeah, I mean, I'm not great at placing stop losses. I get shot in the tick a lot of times. So, but usually I would say like around 100 ticks. Like I don't like going more than that. I don't like going more than that. Hang on. Cody needs me. And we're back. Cody needed help with the bunnies. Man, it is tempting to take another long right here. It's tempting. But I'm going to wait. Try to be patient. I do want to see what we do if we retest these highs right up here at the 770s. Let's see what happens. Hey, bud. Come. You want to say hi? You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi, everybody.
Can you tell them what you were doing?
I was playing with the bunnies.
Yeah, you were playing with the bunnies. Did they scratch you?
Yeah.
Where did they scratch you?
On
Oh my goodness, they did scratch you.
Oh dear.
Did it hurt?
A lot.
A lot. Why did they scratch you?
Because the white bunny did.
The white bunny. Was he being naughty?
Yeah.
Here. Man, you maybe need to go show that to mom. That looks like it hurts.
Yeah.
You're tough. You're tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're tough. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Daddy put them away.
Yeah, I put them away. Now they're back in their cage. Did the bunny get all the shot? All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
No, look right there in the camera, right there.
Bye.
There we go. See you, bud. Bye. Still waiting for the Trump news conference. Okay, so he actually hasn't even spoken yet. Interesting. Did the bunny get all the shots? No, definitely not. Why M has new lows? That's crazy. You guys are crazy. I mean, we're just continuing to grind higher. But market's probably it was not a zombie rabbit. No, it was not. He just got scratched a little bit on the arm. He'll be all right. I can only imagine what he was doing to the rabbit. So I can only imagine. Rabbit was probably fighting for his life. Man, this is kind of now we're seeing some wicks up here. This is kind of the first time that I would actually think taking a stab short here would not be a terrible idea. But I don't really want to do it. I also need to I do need to trade these Take Profit Pro accounts. I do have to trade these at least a little bit because, yeah. DC violent crime is down 25% from last year. That sounds hilarious. uh yep. My thoughts exactly. Man, let's see if this falls apart or not. But man, that's the first kind of think a short here actually plays. A short here has a good probability here. Maybe back down to the 740s. But I'm not going to take it. We're just going to watch and wait. Does someone have an update? The orange man, when is he going to talk? Is he just... Why is he not having his press conference? I want to see a big red candle, and then I want to see if we have if this gets just bought up like it has been in the past. All day long, all the big wicks, everything's just getting bought up. Trump is going to be on soon. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm afraid of. And I think I'm just going to, I don't want to really be in a trade once he starts talking. It's not worth it. Not worth the headache. They're still eating their caviar and eggs, Benny. That's fun. President speaking about crime. It's gonna be a long 3 years. Hey, you know what? It's gonna be an entertaining 3 years, if nothing else. It's gonna be an entertaining 3 years. Let's see. So is he actually going to be talking here in the next couple minutes? I'm trying to find. Okay, I need to find where he's. Six. Okay, YM, knock it off. Knock it off with the name calling. Knock it off, or I'll knock it off for you. Let's be civil, chat. It's only Monday. Be civil. My president is late, says Eddie. My president? What? Say what? Say what? Is politics cool in the chat? No, not really. We don't like talking about politics. There's very seldom. One thing that I have learned through my 41 years of life is very seldom. The only time that it is, how would I say? The only time that talking about politics has any kind of value is when you have two people that think the same. If two people that have the same political beliefs, they can talk about politics all they want. That's fine. But if you have opposing views on politics, I don't care if it's your family, your friends, or whoever, it is never productive, ever. That I've seen. People have their own political views. They don't want to be changed. It's not they don't like it. They're not looking and actually wanting to, most people at least, maybe not everyone, but most people are not interested in what someone else's viewpoint is if it's different. It's just not worth it. It's like talking about how good steak is when speaking to a vegan. Yeah, it is. It's like you're in two totally different worlds and trying to discuss something, it's just pointless. It will do nothing but harm your relationship, and you'll just end up having an argument. It's not worth it. The only time it has value is when I do it. Otherwise, yeah, that's exactly kind of the mentality. We only talk politics in relation to when it moves the market. And the other part, we just troll. I'm also of the opinion that I've always been of this opinion. Whoever is in the White House, I don't let that dictate my outlook on my own personal life. You know, there's way too much, you have way too much control on how you handle your life and what you do, that one person in the White House isn't going to make or break your life. You still have a lot of opportunity regardless if you agree or not. I'm just not going to let one person in the White House ruin my life or ruin my outlook on life. I refuse to let that happen. It ain't worth it. I'm not going to give one person that much power. Alpine, I would love to blame the president for my trading. Well, I feel like we can do that at sometimes that's legitimate. Especially with Trump. We can definitely blame him for losses at some point. There's definitely been a couple trades where the orange man started talking and then all of a sudden, you know, I was in a trade, he cost me money, so but it is what it is. Yeah, the Trump tweets are wild. It is. It's crazy, especially with the whole tariff situation and everything. Like, it's been way more volatile than any other time that I remember. Why trades? You mean accounts? Well, whatever. Yes. I like whoever brings volatility to the market. I like it, but I want it to be reasonable. I want it to be like reasonable. An orange man calling out another orange man. Priceless. You're welcome. Oh, man. But man, this is a chop fest all of a sudden. Oh, yeah, that was crazy, Stevens trades. That was crazy. We were seeing 1,000-point days. I mean, look at this day. Do you guys remember this day right here? This day right here is the day that Trump tweeted to buy. I'm not even joking. If you go back and look, Trump literally told us when to buy. And it was the bottom. It literally was this day on April 9th. Trump literally said to buy. It's the wildest thing I have ever seen. Like, we have a president that is literally, he said that he literally told us when to buy. It's almost to the point where it was insider trading because, I mean, he after he made that announcement is when then he started to, like, he made some kind of announcement and stuff regarding tariffs where the market just literally ripped higher from the 17,000s all the way up to the 19,500s. That's 2,500 points in a day. Like, it's crazy. It is crazy. Like, I mean, that's wild. He literally told us when to buy. You know, the world we live in, I tell you what, you gotta love it. I'm up 13.5K thanks to that. Let's go, Alpine. My 401k is looking pretty healthy as well. Yep. Looking pretty nice. One day in April, we had a 10% down move and 10% up move in 2 hours. Yeah, it is crazy, Niles. We were living in some, if you were here for that, you know what was the craziest was this. The craziest was like right in here. Right in here. I mean, that was some wild times. Because remember, there were a couple days where we thought we were going to hit the breakers. Like we thought the breakers were going to hit just because of how volatile the markets were. And you could trade 2 micros. You could trade 2 micros and be up and down $500 within seconds. That's how crazy that market was. Ah, man, I tell you what, it was definitely entertaining. Definitely entertaining. Oh my goodness, Vector 2022, right? If you would have had a take profit trader account, which that's why they cap you at 10,000. So if you're in the sim environment, you can only make 10,000 per day. Once you make 10,000 a day, you're done. And you move to, you get moved to a live account. Yeah, I did, Alpine. April is when I had my best month ever. So I don't know. Maybe I do. I always said that I don't like volatility, but maybe I do like. Is it 20K per day or is it? I thought it was 10K per day, or it's 20K total. Is it no longer 10K per day? It looks like she's about to have a stroke. Design knob. Design knob. Didn't you tell your workplace that you have more important things to do, like watching streams? I'm just kidding. So no, okay, so 20K is the total. 10K per day max. Yes. Okay, that makes sense. That's what I thought. Okay. Oh man. 20K. Yep. Wow, look at this dump. Trump must be talking, fellas. Trump must be talking. Let me can I find him? Guys, I think I found a new Ben and Rose. Remind me guys to show you a new Ben and Rose that I've found. I need to show you guys at some point, okay? Just remind me. Man, we're dumping. We must. Did you mean my brother? No. Okay, someone was asking if is there an Amish community in Glenwood Springs? MZ316? Not in Glenwood Springs. It's like 3 hours south, West Cliff. So in West Cliff, Colorado is a big Amish community. That's where my brother would be from. Wow, look at this. Down to the 720s again. I'm just not going to touch this. Let's wait. Wait till we're out of news. I'm listening to Trump. It's gonna be funny. Golf is crazy. 3 hour drive is like an annual road trip for me. Dabda. Oh, so no. I mean, I flew into Denver, or our family. We flew into Denver, and then from Denver to Glenwood Springs is a 3 hour drive. So yes, we flew from Cleveland to Denver, drove 3 hours, all to play 18 holes. And it was worth everything. It was worth it. I'm gonna become Amish, then quit, so just so I can hang out with ex-Amish people. They seem really cool. You don't have to go Amish to do that. Best guess trading. Hey, MZ316. Yeah, it was such beautiful scenery. Man, it was so nice. I loved it. I loved it. I think it is 20K per account, Charles Ward, I believe. Look at this. What is going on? He said, it's ridiculous. Okay, it's 20K lifetime. Oh, really, Alpine? Sorry. Okay, sorry, Charles Ward. I misspoke. Okay, now I get it. So once you take out 20, oh, wow. That's okay. That's interesting. Then you get immediately moved into the Pro Plus accounts. I see. Trump is so hilarious. If nothing else, Trump, if you know, guys, this is actually the cheat code. If you just look at Trump as a comedian instead of like a president, it's actually funny. He's actually the guy's actually hilarious. Yeah, Pro Plus is not a terrible. Yeah, I don't mind the Pro Plus. Goes from 80-20 to 90-10. Agreed. Agreed. By the way, Tommy Fleetwood, man, I feel so bad for that guy. Oh, again, he choked yesterday. Could not close it out for another win. Man, I feel bad. I actually feel bad for Tommy Fleetwood. Poor guy, just can't get it done. Was down 1,200, now back to minus 200. Martial arts content. Slowly remove your finger from the trigger and slowly step away from the mouse. Okay? Yeah, I know Ralph Bruins and Clyde. It's just so sad. I was so hoping he would pull it out because the guy deserves to win. I mean, Tommy Fleetwood is he's a really good golfer. He is really good, and he's just not been able to finish the job. Public safety emergency, Trump is declaring. He's going to Russia on Friday, guys. Then I shank half my. By the way, Alpine, have you played an actual course now? Did you make it out on the course? But you're only 10 points away from profit. Don't do it, martial arts. You need to, at the very least, take a 20-minute break. Stop pulling that trigger. But I have not yet had to yell 4 in 4 rounds of the small course. Let's go, Alpine. I can't wait for November, Alpine. And we're going to meet at the BDH and we're going to play a lot of golf. We're going to play a lot of golf. We're going to take Patrick with us. Patrick's going to go with us and he's going to make both of us feel good about our golf game. That's the only role for Patrick. He's just there to make us feel good about our game. Don't tell Patrick I said that. Oh dear. My invite to the BDH just got canceled. Yeah, oh dear. uh Tommy Fleetwood made 1.16 million for coming in fourth at St. Jude. You know, best guess trading. I see that too. And then I'm like, you know what? I don't feel that bad for the guy. You know what? Sign me up for Tommy Fleetwood's career. Sign me up. Millions and millions of dollars playing golf. I'm like, you know what? That's not that. That guy doesn't have it that bad. He's living the dream. Okay, what city is Trump talking about? Oh, he's talking about the Washington? Uh Play golf with Ross Cameron. I'll do it. Fan Pito now spending week in vacation rental. Ooh, that's an idea. All right, market. We are kind of holding this VWAP. This VWAP is kind of holding. It's tempting. It's tempting to take a stab at this long. All right, retesting the VWAP here. Man, I don't want to take a trade while Trump is talking, though. That's just not smart. Catch and release, and they raised the juvenile crime age to 24 years old? Man, that's crazy. Who is my mentor in trading? I am my own mentor. JY. Honestly, I learned okay, the only thing I would say, like, right when I started trading, I probably watched what is the guy's name now? He does price action. Oh man, what's that guy's name? He has a YouTube channel. I'm blank. Al Brooks. Thank you, Davey. Thank you, Davey. So I watched a lot of Al Brooks right when I started, and it seemed to make sense. Like, that's kind of what made sense to me. So that is kind of what I look for now. I've evolved quite a bit since then, just off of what I see and what I've seen and screen time. But if I had to pick, I guess, who I learned from, I guess it would be Al Brooks as a whole. But I don't really trade Al Brooks's style technically, so to like right now. Juvenile is under 18. Anything over is an adult. Yeah, exactly, Design Knob. 100% agree. After 25 years of trading, it is nothing more than a mediocre computer game. Leith Hill. It's actually very, it's true. It's true. It's basically probabilities. You enter trades based on probabilities of previous experience, and then you manage your risk once you're in the trade. That's really what it comes down to. Yeah, honestly, the trading psychology is what is the bigger hurdle than, yeah, for me anyway. Yep, Kevin B, it is very true. It is very true. The unfortunate truth is that the only thing that will ever make you profitable is discretion. Yeah, I think every system, this is just my opinion, I might be wrong, but my opinion is every trading strategy has to be like, it's okay to have that as your core, like kind of your baseline. That's what you look for, but your entries and exits, I think the good traders use a lot of discretion. And they use discretion based off of previous history and just experience. Like that's where screen time really becomes really invaluable, is screen time. And you learn certain price action on certain days when the price is moving a certain way. Then you just know from previous experience, you know what, today's not a day to be trading. Or you might realize, hey, today's one of those days, it's time to go in and maybe size up. But it just takes its experience, and then obviously risk management is very important. There is no secret sauce. That's the key in trading. That is, if there was one thing to tell every new trader that would save them probably the most headache and money, is for them to fully accept and fully understand that there is no secret sauce, or there is no secret strategy in trading. Don't look for a secret strategy. It doesn't exist. Because I feel like that's what people look for in the beginning. They just look for people that are profitable, and then they look for, okay, what is their secret strategy? And it's really not that. It's really not. Yeah, there is no shortcut. Agree. Discovering and following a robust baseline on a specific time frame is what ends up surfacing over and over again. Yeah, that's a really good point. It's a really good point, Leith Hill. Like, you have to get your screen time, like, and then knowing the different time frames. And yeah, 100% agree. That, because for me, it's the 2-minute chart. Like, I love the 2-minute chart. I've been watching the 2-minute chart for 2 years, and that's what I'm used to, and that's what makes sense to me. Other people use 5 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 minutes. Hey, Brick Crypto Trader, you're from Miami. All right, nice to see you. Welcome. Hey, good morning, Linda. How we doing? QuantGuard just went live for Tradeify. What? Oh. Whew, I was ready to... Integration has started on Tradeify for QuantGuard. Let's go. How we doing, QuantGuard? Good to see you. Sorry, did you probably message me and I don't have my Discord open? Wah wah. Tick charts for you, Lemonhead. Nice. Yep. Let's go, Miles. QuantGuard has officially access to Tradeify. Let's go, QuantGuard. That's awesome, Vector. That's awesome. So it'll probably go maybe a week or so before it's actually available on QuantGuard, but that's awesome. And now we're gonna dump. Man, this is unfortunate. I feel like we can't really trade this. Gotta wait on Trump to be done yapping. Does QuantGuard have the option to lock my risk settings for a week or a month at a time? I work in risk management, so Technically, no. So QuantGuard, you can set up so it auto connects and it automatically locks your settings at the beginning of every day. So you do have a time frame between 5 and 6 that you could change it. So technically, you could change it in that time. But if you just don't do anything, then it's just going to repeat every day the same settings. Hey, let's go, Snowman. Man, I tell you what, guys, I am my golf game right now is not in a good place. My golf game right now is not we are not in a healthy place. I don't know what to do. I'm dead serious when I say that if I wouldn't have already registered for the Amish Open a month ago, I'm not sure I would play in it. I've been playing. My driver is just so off right now that I don't. I'm honest. I'm not sure I'm going to hit driver if I play the Amish Open. I might just hit I might hit my hybrid or 3-wood off the tee. It's so bad. It's so bad. I'm so disappointed too. So disappointed. When are we gonna get the NBT discount main? What? What do you mean, Ian? I don't know what you mean. But please don't yell. You just hurt my ears. I played with some kid yesterday that was so insane. I was like, I'm watching a pro player, or what is this? I tell you what, there are some kids that are really they practice and practice, and they're pretty good. But I don't know what I need to do. I need to get on the driving range and just work out the kinks. I'm just feel so out of sorts. Like my irons and my short game, my putting, I feel really good about that, but my driving is just all over the place. Just it's so bad. It's so bad that I think I might need to go buy a new driver. I might need to go buy a new driver. Not that it's the driver that's the issue, but for my mental game, I feel like I might need a new driver. I played a pro event as a wild card and I was paired with a junior from Germany. He shot 9 under. Oh, NBT discount for Quant Guard Iron. It should work right now. If you go, NBT code should work and should give you 50% off for the first month. I believe that deal is still going. I should double check, but I'm pretty sure. All right, we keep slowly grinding lower right now. Let's see if this thing can rip, or is it just continuing to go lower? It's tempting to take a short right here. Back up. If we get back up to like this 730s, it would be a tempting short. But I don't like shorting in this current market condition. I feel like I'm asking for trouble. I just emailed you a putter head cover for both our putters. Situation is pretty funny. Oh dear, I gotta see it. This is fine. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. All right, let me, okay, I think I'm all right, all right. And I love it, Golf Guy Mike. Chef David Chang was actually in golf trying to make a career of it. Same time as Tiger Woods was coming up. Oh, wow. Man, it's tempting to try to take a long here, but I feel like this has the ability to just roll over. I find it inconceivable NQ isn't going to test ETA all-time highs during the New York session at some point soon. Yeah, it does feel like it should, but you know, market don't care what we think. I want to see this reject and fail to make new lows. If we fail to make new lows, if the 720s hold up, the 715s, if this holds up when we retest this, then I will go long. But I'm just not comfortable going long right here. Even though this looks pretty good. Breaking back above the 740s now. This might just go straight up. No chance and no pullbacks. If it does, I guess we'll just sit and watch and let it go. It's definitely looking decent for the longs here. I'd rather get a pullback. Prefer to get a pullback, but I don't know. I don't know. It's too late. Grateful Gold. Yeah, could, yeah. Okay, thank you, Quangard. Always the club's fault, Alpine. That's right. Exactly. Exactly. I'm not kidding. I'm going to go golfing today. Like, I'm legit going to go golfing today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. I am going to try my hardest to figure out what I'm doing wrong with my driver. There is a chance that I'm going to buy a new driver before the Amish Open. Depending how today goes, I'm about an hour and a half away from the nearest Golf Galaxy. I already checked this morning to see if they have the new driver available in the shaft and everything that I want. It's been verified that it's ready. It's ready for pickup. So I'm just saying, depending how I'm going to have a heart-to-heart talk with my driver today, and my driver is officially on notice. I'm going to tell my driver today, if you don't behave, if you don't hit him straight, you're out. You will be replaced. I think my driver just got a little bit too comfortable. He thought he was untouchable. He thought he could do no wrong. But I'm telling you, it's right now, it's no, Snowman. It's the worst kind of miss. Snowman, any golfer out there, you know this. You know what I'm talking about when I tell you what is the worst miss when hitting your driver. Tell me, what is the worst miss if you hit your driver? What's the worst kind of miss? Let's see who gets it first. The ball. Nah, I mean, the double cross is bad, but yes, Mark Ostrowski. That is very true. The worst kind of miss when hitting driver is topping it. I raise my hand because dude, there, it's not funny, man. If I have an issue with slicing or hooking, I can fix it. Like, no problem. If I start to hook it or slice it, I know exactly what to do with my hands and my stance. I can fix that. That is not the problem. But when I start topping the ball, dude, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But I will literally top it and it goes 10 yards. And it has as much top spin as you've ever seen in your life. Like, I literally top it. And yes, I have the 4-inch, I have the largest, tallest tees that you can find. I have big tees. I tee up, like when people go golfing with me, they're like, what is wrong? Like, I tee my ball up really, really high. And I just can't do it. And it happened. See, and this is why it's so frustrating. I can go to the driving range. And I can hit 15 balls straight down the middle, no problems, no issues at all. And then I'll get to the first tee and I'll top the ball. It is the most maddening and frustrating thing I've ever experienced in golf. I got real close to breaking something the other day. I got real close. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, Snowman. That's the problem. Like, I'm actually going to take a video and try to analyze it. But please, if you guys have hints or tips on how to prevent topping the ball, please tell me. I'm all ears, man. Try with a shorter driver length or choke up on the club. I would, Snowman, I would send you a clip, but I don't really see. I don't have a actual video of me hitting the ball and topping it. Know what I mean? I wish I did. Next time, take one of those rubber tees from the driving range and use it on the course. It's not even that, Mark, because I use the same tee. I don't have the rubber mats. The driving range I have is... John says, stop golfing. I mean, you're probably the most accurate. That's the best way to stop it. My way around that is to not put my driver on the ground before your backswing. Really, keep your knees level. Keep your knees level. Wait, keep your knees level and your arms. It's not hard. Alpine Trader says, hi, I'm pretty good at golf. I think you're taking your eyes off the ball and you're just gambling without a golfing strategy. I love it. I love it. I learned 20 years ago and quit wasting time and money. You must be more intelligent than me, John. Stand on one leg. Man, you guys are so helpful. So helpful. Oh, man. Hang on, guys. I need to fill out some forms here. Oh, I need to pay attention here. Oh, geez. How much is there to sign here? Man, I might take this. This might be it here. All right, I'm going to take it. Oh, do I want to have my stop all the way down here? Kind of do. Man. Oh, come on. What is... sorry, guy. Yeah, why can't I not... I can't find my... Can't find my thing I need to attach. Okay. All right, I think we're good to go. This is not looking too good. Not looking too good. It's not what I wanted to see. See if the VWAP holds. There we go. Rip it. Rip it higher. All right, we're back. We're back. Sorry about that, guys. Hey, good morning, Peter Shapp. How long is it taking to receive the money outside the U.S. once payment is approved? Anyone can help. Ronnie? Okay. I knew the exact day I quit. That sounds like me, John, with hunting. That sounds like me with hunting. So I used to be a hunter. Like I used to go hunting. Like this was back when I was like 17, 18 years old. And I kind of was doing it. I thought I was doing it because I enjoyed it. A lot of my friends were hunters. So I kind of hunted too. And one morning I got up early as a Saturday morning. I got up early to get out to my tree stand, you know, in the early morning light. I got up and I get dressed, you know, the whole everything you do to get dressed to go hunting. And I start walking out. I still remember where I was. I was walking out the sidewalk of my home, not my home, my parents' home. I was still living at home. I was walking out the sidewalk. It was cold and it started to rain. And it was starting to rain. It was cold and miserable. And about halfway out the sidewalk, I just stopped and I'm like, wait a minute. I don't need to do this. And it just, something in my head, a light bulb moment came on. And I'm like, you know what? I don't need to go hunting. I don't have to hunt. I literally turned around, went back inside, undressed, went back to bed, slept great, and I haven't gone hunting since. It's a true story. All right, market. We do have to get above the 740s here. If we don't, I'm seriously thinking about killing this trade. I'm kind of okay with just taking a break even at this point. I feel like it's just one of those trades where it teases my entry and then drops, and it's annoying. We're also at that 11:30 hour where it can be just a slow grind lower. But let's give it a chance. Maybe this can break. Oh, go, baby, go. I believe. Oh! You know what? I'm just going to take some off right here just because now I can just let it run. If it wants to run, go ahead. If not, I don't know. I'm not too crazy about this trade. I don't think. That was the day he swapped animals with Nutty Bars. Captain Crunch. This is the running for the most pathetic day of the year. What, Kabir? I use the Replicanto, Bart. I use Replicanto. Yeah, that's definitely a big part of why I enjoy golf is how beautiful the courses are. It's just something about going out early morning, the sun just coming up. Whoa, what's going on here, folks? You know what? I'm going to get out. I'm just out. I have no desire to get whipsawed and not interested. Even if this rips back up, I don't even care. This ain't it. I should probably call it a day here. You know what? I'm going to lock myself out on Quant Card. I'm going to lock myself out. 100, well, what are we, $90 on the day? I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. It just feels like one of those days where this is going to be choppy the rest of the day. We're right at the VWAP is basically going straight. Flat VWAP is never a good sign. I want to get out to see if I can get out to the golf course today. Yeah, exactly, Mark. I need to go practice my driving because there's a possibility that I need to go buy a new driver today. So I always feel like I can forget all my so-called problems on a golf course. It's relaxing until it isn't. There are so many similarities between golfing and trading. It's actually kind of crazy. Nice, Snowman. I love it. But by the way, did I already say this? Maybe I did. But the golf course where the Amish Open is being played, they just aerated the greens. Last Tuesday, they aerated the greens. So, I don't know, man. That changes things. I don't know. I definitely need to get used to those greens. Putting is a challenge. How do you turn off affordable indicators while using Replicanto as your copy trading? There's a setting, Vincent Nella. There is a setting for that. If you go here, if you open your settings, the main features, there's a check mark, or there's a box to check or uncheck for duplicate account actions. If you uncheck that, you won't have that issue. The short game is the most frustrating I can imagine. Yeah, I see. I love the short game. Short game I love. I got the short game is dialed. It's my driver that's causing me so many issues. So many issues. Did I receive a tan? I don't know what you mean. I mean, I got sun, yes. All right, man, I'm so happy that I just got out of that trade, even if it was for a little bit of a loss. You think we're going to the 581s? You thought I was shorting. By the way, Lucid Trading is running Lucid Trading right now is probably running the best promotion of any prop firm. They're doing 50% off on their straight to funded accounts, which is also 50% off on evals as well. But I wish they had Tradeify. But it is what it is. I think they will be getting Tradeify eventually. I just don't know when. Do I have a code for Replicanto, Bart? Man, if it still works, it would be Nutty Bar 20. Nutty Bar 20 used to get you 20% off. I don't know if that still works. But you can try it, Bart. You can try it. Nutty Bar 20 used to give you 20% off. I'm not sure if it still works or not. Okay, MFF has a 15% off reset until 8/17. Thank you, his raw trades. Thank you. All right, we're down here at the 720s. The 720s have held up in the past. Like, it's been an area of support. Stick a line on your stream at 23,581. Man, that's quite a ways down there. Oh, I see that. Yeah, 581s. Okay, you play disc golf, Captain Crunch? Nice. I've never done that. I've never done the disc golf, but it seems like fun. All right. Let's see if these 720s. Man, I'm not. Getting a bounce off the 720s. Getting a bounce. once again, I don't know. It's interesting. It's tempting. Less pressure, Captain Crunch. There's no chance of topping it if you play. There's no chance of topping it and get disc golf. That does sound kind of appealing. A little bit appealing right now at the moment. Oh, I should have taken that bounce off the 720s. Man, it's looking pretty nice. Wow. Hold on. Volatility coming in. Must be Trump's talking. I don't know what I want to do. Golf isn't as expensive as I thought. It's not terrible until you start playing some nice. Once you start playing some nice courses, it can. The course we played on Saturday was $200 for 18 holes. 200 for 18 holes, one person. And then you have to upgrade your golf clubs, you know. Any bets on what the next Apex sale will be? John, who knows? 80% off. Apex, 80% off right now. Honestly, I'm waiting for Apex to come out with straight to funded accounts. Supposedly they are, but I don't know. We'll find out. That is more than $10 a hole. Yeah, I know. I know. It was worth it though. I would do it again. Oh man. I kind of wanted to take one trade here on this Tradeify live account. Oh, do I take? But I just don't like this right now. Very choppy. Apex always announced and goes dark for months. It's true. Nice, Alpine, nice. Yeah, David Wren. It is actually true. Apex needs an updated dashboard. I agree. Supposedly we have our first potential hurricane of the season. Now that I own a home in Florida, I am hyper aware of hurricane season. we are keeping tabs on hurricane season. It's kind of exciting in a way. Kind of weird but exciting. Kevin Tobias, I do know that there have been people that have gotten unbanned, but I know a lot of people that haven't. Yeah, exactly. Yep. Yeah, Fields. I think I might actually call it. This is I mean, I keep getting tempted to go long. I wish I would have gotten long onto 720s, but I didn't. So feel like I'm kind of missing out now. A little bit of FOMO. We're bumping our head here at the 740s once again. Golfed Hayward, Wisconsin Golf Club as a team. Shanked the ball into the water. I started hacking the tee box. John. Oh, if only it was on video. At least I have a second home to evacuate to if I have to. I mean, yes, true. Are roaches common in Florida? I know bugs are very common in Florida. I'm not sure about roaches. Look at that. Now it's gonna rip. Man, it is giving me FOMO real bad. Wow. Are we just gonna rip to new highs now? Yikes. No cell phones back then. It's true, John. Lucky for you. This is looking like it is going to break out. Now testing the 750s. There she goes, beyond up through the 750s. Oh man. No, I didn't, Kevin G. My original phone, I was not able to get it charged. It's shot. I think I would need to get a new battery, and then who knows if it will work, but no. What part of Florida? It is Sarasota, Florida. It is on the west side, west coast of Florida. Yeah, it did. It bounced exactly here at the 720s. The 720s is, I mean, that was a good trade. I should have taken it and I didn't. Now I'm kind of FOMOing and I don't want to. But it is what it is. Should have pulled the trigger. Don't want to go long up here. I still owe you guys pics of the house. Niles, I want to wait till it's actually furnished. I want to wait till it's actually furnished before I show you, because right now it's just an empty home. Yep. All right, guys. I think I might call it here. I might call it. Not a terrible day. I'm disappointed with my funding ticks accounts. Should not have. I actually thought I had a $2,000 deal loss limit on that. That was kind of my fault. I entered one last trade. I thought I had a $2,000 daily loss limit. And I basically was like, well, if it takes me out, it's going to hit my daily loss limit. And I didn't put a stop in because of that. And yeah, came back, realized, oh, they don't have a daily loss limit. So that's my fault. That's my bad. 755s. Man, I'm so tempted. All right, I'm going to call it here, and hopefully I can go get my driver figured out. Hopefully something magic happens. But we need to hit the links today. Actually, the range. You want to see the yard? The yard is very much in the, yeah, that's going to take a while. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks everyone for tuning in today. I appreciate it. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll see you then. Take care. Take care. Have a great rest of your day, guys. I hope you guys all end the day green, and God bless.